How to make Android phone screen stay on longer. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Android phone screen stay on longer. For this, you can adjust the screen timeout settings of your device. First of all, you will need to open your device settings. Simply swipe down from the top and then tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. And once you reach the settings page, here you will need to look for display option. You may also find display and brightness option as name may vary depending on your device. Once you locate it, simply tap on it, and once you reach inside it, here you will need to scroll and find screen timeout option, or you'll be able to see sleep or similar option in the display settings. Once you find this screen timeout option, simply tap on it and then choose a longer duration from available options. Here in my case, the longest duration is 10 minutes. So simply tap on it to set it. If 30 minutes or other options are available, you can simply tap on it and set it. Also, some devices may have the option for never, which keeps the screen on while charging. Also keep in mind that setting a longer screen timeout can drain your battery faster. So by following these steps, you should be able to extend how long your Android phone screen stays on. So by following these steps, you should be able to make your Android phone screen stay on longer. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.